today's video I'm going to bleach my hair because, yes, I've already bleached it yesterday 2 times and it turned out like this, so I'm going to try again like every other YouTuber. And I mean, it turned out pretty light, it's just it's too yellow, and I mean the hair overall is pretty okay, or it looks pretty okay, but it's just my roots got super light. I don't know why. So yeah, I kind of just want to bleach again to get a more even color if that's possible, but I can just show you like real quick what I have. And the first thing is L'Oreal's Preference, and I'm sorry I'm so a little sick, Preference Permanent Hair Color in Oslo. Very light, cool crystal blonde. It looks really nice, but I just hope that this yellow doesn't turn out more orange, because I have like dark pigments all over my hair. Anyways, I also going to use this coconut oil before I apply the hair color in my hair, just so my hair won't get as much damage. So coconut oil, I also did this yesterday when I bleached my hair 2 times, so that's a tip. I also have conditioner that I'm going to use to mix this bleach, so the bleach won't as... okay, does that fly? Yeah, so the bleach won't get as strong and not so damaging for hair. I mean, it's still gonna damage my hair, but I just try to not as much. Yes, I'm going to mix this up and then apply this color because I need to do something. I can't look like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put this coconut oil in my hair. Okay, now we can apply some coconut oil, and you really want to like drown your hair in coconut oil so it looks super greasy. Okay, so now I have coconut oil in my hair and it looks super greasy, but that's good. And now I'm just going to mix this color. Do you say color? Okay, so I'm just gonna mix everything in this bowl. I also have a brush. If I said that, I don't know. Okay, so it smells amazing. Nope. It smells disgusting. I have the mixture here. Okay, probably shouldn't do that. I think I'm going to place most of the color like here where I have the dark spots, and I'm just going to work myself up and a little bit down. Oh. La, 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 la. Okay, so I'm done with the hair. I'm sorry I didn't film it, but had an emotional breakdown. It turned out pretty bad. So I'm going to bleach it again. Yay. The yellow and the dark spots didn't really go away, so I'm thinking I'm going to bleach it again. Yes.
It's not for me to say you